Okay, so let's take a look at some of this translation stuff. Translation, basically, we mean we want to take a figure and move it around. So let's look at example 1. ABC is translated 1 right and 4 up. Draw the new image A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, anytime you have this little apostrophe, that's called prime notation. And that's how we label whichever one is the new copy. Okay, so we're going to look at this one by one. Let's start with point A. Point A is here. We need to go 1 to the right, and 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went 1 to the right, 4 up. That is my new A, and I call that A prime. So then let's look at B then. So B, I need to go 1 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 up. That's going to be my new B. I'll call that B prime. And then C. Again, 1 right and 4 up. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 up. That is my new C. We call it C prime. So I just took this triangle and moved it. I didn't change it in any way. So what are the coordinates? These were the original coordinates for triangle A, B, C. My new coordinates, A prime, is at 2, 1. B prime here is at 4, 4. And C prime is at 5, 2. So the way that we write a rule for this is using the arrow notation. And the arrow notation is just going to say, how many did we go left and right? How many did we go up and down? So looking at it, our coordinate xy is being translated. How did we change the x values? Well, the x values, we added 1, right? We did 1 right. Looking at the x values for A and then A prime, how did I go from 1 to 2? I add 1. How did I go from 3 to 4? Add 1. How did I go from 4 to 5? Add 1. So what is the change in our x values? Well, we just add 1. So let's look at our y coordinate. What is the change in our y coordinate? Well, for A, we went from -3 to 1. That is adding 4. For B, we went from 0 to 4. Add 4. And for C, -2 to +2. Add 4. So the change in our y coordinate, we add 4 to each one. That's how we write the rule. If we go left, right, if we go up and down, how are we changing the x's and how are we changing the y's?